Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Algorand price prediction and Algorand news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Algorand in 2022. Algorand is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. Algorand supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trust. The main network, mainnet Algorand, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created Algorand? Silvio Micali is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Algorand, how an all-demand zone might give investors some respite. Algorand took a turn to the downside following Bitcoin's rejection at $39K. This was amidst turmoil in global markets as fear mounted in response to Russia's moves in Eastern Europe. Some people argue this is a buying opportunity, a deep discount, which could be the case, but crypto has a way of diving deeper south than most people expect. As far as the near term is concerned, Algorand flipped the 87 cents to resistance, and a Fibonacci extension level gave a location for a possible bounce in price. The Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, were plotted based on ALGO's move from $1.1 to 76 cents in the second week of February. The psychological $1 level has been a strong resistance level for much of this month, and the horizontal 87 cents was also flipped to resistance a few days ago. Generally, the Fibonacci retracement levels have been respected to an extent which indicated that there was the likelihood that the 27.2% extension level could also see a temporary bounce in prices for ALGO. At the time of writing, selling volume has been significant and dominant. The market structure was also bearish. It was a time to sell the bounce and take profit on short positions at support levels. The MACD poked its nose above the zero line a couple of days ago, but immediately took a nosedive back under the zero line, in response to the surge in bearish momentum following recent market-wide fear. The directional movement index showed a strong downtrend in progress, while the OBV confirmed selling volume far outweighed buying volume. Conclusion: the market structure was bearish, and the 72-76 cents area could be used to enter short positions on Algorand, targeting 67 cents for short-term trades. In the long term, Algorand was extremely bearish as well, but the 69 cents area has acted as a demand zone in May, June, and July of 2021. USDT dominance was also at 5%, a factor whose implications are important for long-term investors to be aware of. Let's go to next news. Algorand Foundation introduces $10 million grant program to deliver Ethereum compatibility. The Algorand Foundation is setting up a $10 million supergrant to be rewarded among teams that accelerate the work needed to deliver Ethereum at the United States dollar virtual machine (EVM) compatibility, according to a release dated February 17. Algorand Supergrant is a grant program that targets experienced research and development teams to research or build secure solutions for the Algorand ecosystem. And EVM compatibility refers to decentralized applications that are built on Ether-compatible blockchains. Research and developer teams will be expected to submit their proposals no later than March 18, the release noted. Multiple teams made a 73-cent support were bright. If this pressure sustains, a retest of the mean, 20 SMA, of its Bollinger Bands, BB, seemed likely. Following this, the overall market structure would play a vital role to anticipate a pattern breakout possibility. At press time, ALGO traded at $0.7349, down by 3.82% in the last 24 hours. After the bulls struggled to hold their grounds at the $1.8 resistance, ALGO steeply downturned and gravitated towards the $0.773 support range. This range has offered a strong floor for over a year now. The alt lost nearly 61.5% of its value from 5 January and pulled back towards its 7-month low on 24 February. Since then, the sturdy 23.6% Fibonacci level shunned all recovery attempts by the ALGO buyers. As a result, the latest retracement saw a sharp pullback between the down channel, yellow. During this phase, the mean of the BB coincided with the upper trend line of this channel and offered strong resistance. Historically, the bulls have shown a keen interest in defending the current support range. Also, the price has entered into a cheaper phase near the lower band of its BB. From here on, a retest of the 76 and 77 cents mark before potentially entering into a consolidation phase seemed probable for the alt. Further, most reversals from the $0.7 level found a recovery towards the upper band of the BB. The sellers tested the 34 support thrice in just the last 3 days. While the buyers maintained the flatter support level on the RSI, the price action marked lower troughs. thus revealing a bullish divergence. Similarly, the OBV maintained its immediate support, while the price kept falling, conforming to the bullish tendencies in the near term. Conclusion: the oversold readings on the BP with the divergences on its RSI and OBV made the chances of a near-term bullish comeback bright. But the buyers still needed to ramp up the volumes to find a pattern-breaking sustainable rally. To top it up, the traders should keep a close watch on Bitcoin's movements, as ALGO shares a 74% 30-day correlation with the King coin. So next news. Another 11% fall on the way. Should ALGO investors exit the market when a cryptocurrency makes a name for itself in the market? It is because of the positive price action usually. However, Algorand seems to have defied that narrative. Instead of making the investors optimistic, ALGO has kept them down in losses. On closer inspection, it appears that ALGO's journey to the south is not over yet. Algorand likes to tumble. The altcoin has been slipping on the charts since September. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, ALGO failed to rally back in November and instead consolidated. As December and January came, the coin was deep down in losses. In fact, the broader market events in those 2 months only made it worse. As always, at the end of the video, we will introduce you to the latest Algorand, ALGO, price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Algorand Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Algorand will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $1.26 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.10 with a maximum price of $1.26 for 2022. Algorand Price Forecast 2023. It appears that by 2023, Algorand, ALGO, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $1.61. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Algorand's maximum price could be up to $1.86 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. ALGO Rate Prediction 2024. The value of Algorand will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. ALGO is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Algorand will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ALGO will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ALGO ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. Algorand Price Prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Algorand could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for